you also want this kind of effects in your video. So stay tuned. Watch till the end. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, flexclip.com. This is one of the most popular online video editor. And even with the help of this website, you will be able to make the full-fledged video. So I have already made the video on this FlexClip. So I'll give the link in the description. So come to this website, click create a video, select the size, get started, and import your video. Click on plus button to add the video in the timeline. So let me play this video. So this is the real video. Let me add the curve speed. So click on a speed, and you can increase or decrease the normal speed of this video from here. But today's video on curve speed, so I'll show you curve speed. So click on that. So they have already given some curve speed style. So you can choose any style you want. Otherwise, if you want to customize it, so click on customize. So let me add the effect. So this is the pointer. If you take this pointer up, so your video speed will be increased, and you can add the effects 8 times faster in your video. If you take this pointer down, so your video speed will be decreased, and you can add up to 10 times slower effects in your video. Let me play it. See, the video got slow. So let me preview it after customization. You can delete the pointer also if you want. So click on that pointer and just delete it. The pointer will be deleted. And you can add the pointer at any point you want. Suppose I have to add the point here. Click on add point. The pointer will be added. So after customization, you can export it from here. And the video will be downloaded automatically. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day all.